In today's Capital Food Adventure,
we explore the spicy and historical heart of Chengdu, otherwise known as Jinli.
Let's go!
Tell me about what we're about to eat.
傅小姐在成都 which is Miss Fu in Chengdu.
Looks like you order things via QR code. So this is one of my favorites. It's a nice little fermented rice dish called lao zao. So this one called lao zao, and it's really good. It's got this nice flavor to it.
Yeah, it doesn't look like Cindy likes this one very much.
I'm not a fan of this one.
Hey Cindy, what do you got there?
I got a brain of pig.
Pig brain.
Ooh, look.
Yum. Served with noodles.
It's very rich. Tastes like a tofu.
Alright, so I've got this nice spicy dumpling called Jinli or something like that. I have no idea. Let's give this a try. It's really good. Nice and spicy. Spicy. Oh my god, Cindy. Miss Fu in Chengdu was amazing. The food was delicious, super spicy, very rich in flavor. I'd say it's almost Chengdu.
If you like watching our videos, hit the like button.
So as well as being known for hot, spicy food, cute pandas, and other really nice things to do, Chengdu also has some really nice tea.
Tea. Drinking tea, whatever the tea is kind of a lifestyle in Chengdu.
Alrighty, well let's go check that out.
So actually, in Sichuan we call this 摆龙门阵, which means a few people sit together, have some tea, have some sunflower seeds, and then have a random chat. That's what people normally do in the afternoon.
So Chinese tea is commonly enjoyed with these little guys, sunflower seeds. Now these ones here have been flavored. They're quite delicious. They're like a creamy kind of texture. So there are a couple of different ways you can open a sunflower seed. One way I was just taught just then. You flip like this, you peel it, and then you pop out the sunflower seed. And there you go.
How about the second way?
So the second way, you take your sunflower and you kind of like put it in between your teeth and you kind of break the shell. You sort of bite down. Wait. And you use your tongue to pull it out. Whoa. How true. Alright, so we've had a nice tea, we've had a nice little rest, and now we're going on to check out some of the different shrines that are around. So we've arrived at the Chengdu Woohoo Shrine. Woohoo!
It's based on like a popular story in China about the fighting between three kingdoms. But because none of us are actually interested in history, so we're gonna skip this place. And you can see so many people nearby, so we're gonna skip this place, have a look at the entrance, and we just hop into Jinli.
Alright, you heard the lady, let's go. Crazy. Apparently, Cindy's mum is a magnet for flyers. What is going on? Okay. So it's like a recycle economy. Essentially, one guy's people are handing them out, and then you go throw them away, and then someone picks them up, and then he gives them back to the people. I have no idea what's going on.
The farthest recycle I have ever seen.
Yeah. Alright, Cindy, what do you have here?
Black sesame. Ooh, look at this texture. Pretty good.
Alright, one of my favorite desserts that you can get in China is this black sesame seed paste. It's brilliant. It's like a soup almost. My favorite thing about this is that it's not processed this time, so I don't have to worry about it being, you know, full of contaminants. This one here has been freshly grinded up. It's delicious. It's so good. You have to give this a try. Delicious secret oysters.
Secret oysters.
We've just ordered some ren chow.
It's called light tangyuan. It's a special yuanxiao.
Really? What makes it special?
It's a different flavor and smaller. I don't know. Let's have a try.
Alright, so this is our ren chow. We'll give this a try. It's gonna be hot because it's served in a hot soup. Basically, they're like water dumplings. Yeah, it's pretty good. Like, it's basically filled with like a sesame sort of paste kind of thing. But in terms of mouthfeel, it's pretty good, nice and soft. So we've just enjoyed some really nice street food. What did you think?
It's great. We tried different kinds of food. Make me feel so full.
Exactly. What was your favorite, Cindy?
I like the nuomi, like the rice thing that looks like a sushi. Also, I like the guokui, which is like salty cookies.
Wonderful. Yeah, me too. I really enjoyed the gokui too. It's a special Sichuan gokui. Basically, it's like a biscuit. If you like the cultural street as much as we do, you might get lost here, like we did.
We have seen the same store 4 times.
Yeah.
Each single store 4 times.
Exactly.
And we're
it's
still
crazy.
Trying to find a way out.
We'll get there eventually.
We think we are trapped here.
Yeah. Oh wait, maybe there's a glimmer of hope.
We are changing our tour guide. So before it's broken and now it's
okay,
my dad.
cut. Alright, let's do this. See ya.
Later that same evening.
Finally we made it.
Crazy.